Hey, today's video is about equipment that you may need when you are starting your business. What we're going to talk about is the things that you can purchase. I've been getting a lot of messages about where I get a lot of my equipment from. So the first thing we're going to start with is the shelving. Okay. The shelving we got on Amazon, and I can't be happier with the shelving. My husband actually put it together for me. Was it easy to put together, or they can't hear you, babe?
Yes, it's easy to put together.
Yeah, so it was easy. I mean, it didn't take him no time to put this together because if y'all remember, this room was actually um, the audition room, and I think I told y'all that in another video that I did. So the shelving is really easy. We've actually got two more that we've got to put up. So, and it's affordable. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is the oil filler, fluid filler. This right here is a lifesaver. When I first started, I was using the little funnels or pipettes or whatever to fill my oils, some of my containers. This has a 2-year warranty. This was also purchased off of Amazon, and you can look in the inside of it right here. It's pretty deep, and like I said, it's relatively easy to clean. 2-year warranty. It's liquid and paste, which I plan on getting at least 3 more, but this is a lifesaver right here. Really easy to use. Okay, and this right here is a coffee grinder. You'll need this for your herbs if you want to make powder out of them, like the seeds, the bark, just different stuff like that. Amazing for powders. Okay, and then this right here, you're going to need this if you want to cook separately from your kitchen. This is a hot plate, and it works great. I love it. Keeps me out of my kitchen. Everything is separate from my personal life. I'm up here now. So, and then I have the mixer, the electric mixer, also from Amazon. I'm going to put the links down below where you can find all this stuff at a reasonable price, okay? This, my sealer, which we also got from Amazon. Really easy to use. This is really simple stuff. Then right here, I have my my hot gun for shrink wrap. And this works amazing. My husband does all the wrapping for me, so this is perfect. And also for, you can do, when you do your soaps, your bath bombs, whatever, it's perfect for it. And then you need a scale. You definitely need that. And then also we have the jars. I got that from Amazon as well. The link will be below, and they're really affordable and cheap, okay? And they get the job done. You never want to leave your herbs in a bag. Like right now we're doing inventory, which I don't know why this is here, but I'm going to move this out the way. We got a lot of shipments in, so they also have the half size with this also. And then these bowls I also got from Amazon. You can get those on Amazon, or you may be able to find it somewhere even cheaper than that. The bottles I got from Amazon. This is 2 ounce. This is 1 ounce. And this right here is a thermometer. You definitely need a laser thermometer. Trust me. Great investment. Great investment. Okay. And then I have a double boiler. This is great for when I do my salves and I have to make a large quantity because I sell out of salves very quickly. So I had to step my game up and get a big double boiler. Also, I can put my little 8 ounce jars in here when I need to do a hot fusion of my oils. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about is a fire extinguisher. Well, I got one more thing. Fire extinguisher, you definitely need that. I'm not saying you're going to burn down your house or anything, but you definitely want that. And then my lifesaver up there. Y'all, when we first moved up here and brought the business upstairs, it was dark, really dark. This light right here brightens the whole room, okay? I don't even really have to open the blinds the majority of the time. This light covers everything. When it's dark outside, when I tell you it gets the job done, it gets the job done. I will put the link down there below. Very affordable, lifesaver. You can conduct surgery in here, okay? You can literally put a body up on the table with this light. That's how bright it is. Oh, and the table. Okay. So the table we also got from Amazon. My husband put it together. Was it hard to put together?
No.
So it was
Pretty simple.
Yeah, so he did it. He did the whole thing. He did the shelving. And he did it in record time, y'all. Record time. So it's really easy to do. So if you like this video, this is the equipment that you may need for your business. Don't forget to get your ebook. Hit the link below.